So let's look at this. Nearest 1,000. So how do we round up numbers to the nearest 1,000? Whole numbers. For example, we have here number 1, 2845. 2845. Now looking at this is units, this is tens, this is 100, and this is 1,000. Now to round up numbers to the nearest 1,000, this is the one we are rounding up to. Don't forget the same thing we did in our class last week. The same thing is also applicable to this week. So we said that when you're rounding up number to any place value, consider the next number to our right. Consider the next number to the right. Now once you consider the next number to the right, you now look at something like this. If the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, these are numbers greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If you have any of these numbers here, that means you are going to round up that number to 1 and add to the 10th digit. But let's replace this one first. Let's start with a simple one. Let's have something like 3 here. So what are we going to do? We now say that the number you are considering, if it is less than 5, you have something like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have any of these numbers, that means the one you are running up to remains the same. For example, we are to run up to the nearest 1,000. Which number represents 1,000 here? 2. Which one are we supposed to consider the next number to the right? Which is what? 3. Now, is 3 up to a number you can round up to 1? No, because 3 is less than 5. So since it's not up to a number you can round up to 1, the 1,000 digit remains the same, which is what? 2. Then we can replace other ones with what? 0. So this gives us 2,000 to the nearest 1,000. I hope you are following. Now, let's look at another example. We have here 91825. Forget about the way the numbers are much. Just know your place value. This is units, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1,000, this is tens of 1,000. So we are rounding up to what? We are rounding up to 1,000. Don't forget, that's our focus this morning. We are rounding up to 1,000. Now, rounding up to 1,000, what are we supposed to do? This is the one we are rounding up to 1,000. Which one are we supposed to consider? The next digit to the right. The next place value, which is what? 100. Now we are considering 100. Now ask yourself, is the number that represents 100, which is 2, is it up to a number you can round up to 1? These are numbers that we cannot round up to 1. And these are numbers we can round up to 1. These are numbers you cannot round up to 1. These are numbers you can round up to 1. Now once you get to numbers you cannot round up to 1, that means the one you are rounding up to remains the same. For example, this what we have here, 8. Now this one here is the one we are supposed to consider. And it's not up to a number we can round up to 1. Since it's not up to a number we can round up to 1, the 1,000 digit remains the same, which is 8. Replace other ones here, numbers after the one you're running up to 0. While you bring down this one, 9, bring down this one, 1. So we now have here 918,000 to the nearest 1,000. So let's look at the third example, number 3. Now we have done 2 examples showing you that when the number you are considering is not up to 5, that means what will happen? The one you're running up to remains the same. As simple as that. So in the next question we have here 4, 5, 7, 8. 4, 5, 7, 8. So what are we supposed to do? First thing is place value. Units, tens, 100, and what? 1,000. Don't forget, these are numbers we can run up to 1. Any of these numbers can be run up to 1. So we consider the number, the place value, after the one we are running up to. So this is 5. Is 5 up to a number you can run up to 1? Yes. So run it up to 1, add to the one we are running up to. So 4 plus 1 gives us what? 5. What will happen to other numbers after? Replace them with what? 0. So we have here 5,000 to the nearest 1,000. Number 4. 9, 9, 8, 7, 4. 9, 9, 8, 7, 4. So which place value here represents 1,000? This is units, this is tens, this is 100, and this is 1,000. So this is 1,000. Which one are we supposed to consider? The 100 digits. Now the 100 digits, is it up to a number you can run up to 1? Yes. It's up to a number you can run up to 1. So since it's up to a number you can run up to 1, we run it up to 1, add to the 1,000 digits. Now adding to the 1,000 digits, this now becomes 9 plus 1, 10. We write 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 9, 10. What will happen to other numbers? You replace them with what? 0. So this gives